Hello, fan collectors. What I have here is a 42 white Codep ceiling fan. Yeah, man down the street from my house saw this in the back of his truck. He was about to throw it away, and to me it was treasure. He ain't had no blades on it though, so I scrapped out some blades and blade arms from a couple of my old fans that doesn't work anymore. And this what I came up with too. And you see here on the top, it's a mounting bracket. I like this type of bracket. Kind of reminds me of a Hunter original ceiling fan. As you see too here in the canopy, this is a remote transmitter. And it runs off this Hampton Bay remote control that I have. Okay, let's go and start this baby off on high. Yeah, it be picking up that speed too, sounding like a jet. Yeah, listen to it. Be blowing some good air too. Add a little light, turn the light on with it. Lovely. Gonna dim it down. Don't turn it off. Okay. Put it on medium. Yeah, you gotta slow it down a little bit. And low. Now, every time I put it on low, I have to slow the blade down some. Cause once it picks up that speed, it'd be hard to slow it down. It takes a while to slow it down, though. I mean, yeah, it's nice on low as well. Okay, we're gonna reverse it. You see here, switch. Gonna push it up. Yeah, let it go from there on low. Alright, put on medium. Yeah, my favorite high. Yeah, nice. With the blaze on like this, creates a nice breeze, especially in the summertime on a hot day. Alright, I'll turn it on. Well, hope you enjoy.